Cut cauliflower florets to 20 grams. Half cup green peas about 60 grams. 1 chopped carrot about 60 grams. Cut 1 potato into cubes about 95 grams. And 2 chopped capsicum about 70 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot with 1 liter of water. Add all the vegetables to the water. One teaspoon salt, give it a mix, and let it boil on high flame till it's perfectly cooked. Once done, remove the water and drain the vegetables and keep it aside. Next, take a pot and add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, 1 tablespoon of salted butter, on a low flame. Once the butter melts, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and mix it well. Add 1 cup of milk. Now with the help of a whisk or fork, mix well until smooth and lump free. And now we'll add half teaspoon of Oregano Seasoning, half teaspoon of Red Chilli Flakes and half teaspoon salt. Now mix it well. Then we'll add boiled vegetables. One-fourth cup of fresh cream. And mix it well. Now turn off the flame and add 2 slices of cheese. Now mix it well. And a creamy cauliflower is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!